Voldemort and Bellatrix had sex and they had a daughter called Delphi. Shocking, right? But is this story true or not? Let me tell you, this story is not from the original Harry Potter books. It comes from a stage play called Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. This play was first performed in 2016, almost 9 years after the last Harry Potter book, The Deathly Hallows. J.K. Rowling worked on it together with two others writers, Jack Thorne and John Tiffany. So remember, this is not written as a part of the 7 original books. It was written years later as a follow-up story for the stage. In The Cursed Child, we learned that Voldemort and Bellatrix had a secret daughter, Delphi. She was born sometime before the Battle of Hogwarts, hidden away and raised in secret. Later, she tries to change the time and bring Voldemort back. But here's the problem. Most fans of Harry Potter do not accept this story. Why? Because it doesn't fit the what we know about Voldemort from the original books. Voldemort never loved anyone. In fact, in the books, it is clearly explained why. His mother, Merope Gaunt, tricked his father, Tom Riddle Sr., with a love potion. Their marriage was false, based on magic, not on real love. When the potion wore off, Tom Riddle abandoned her. Voldemort was born from this loveless union. Because of that, Dumbledore himself says Voldemort was conceived without love and he never learned how to feel love for anyone in his life. So when the Cursed Child suddenly says that Voldemort had a daughter with Bellatrix, many fans felt it was wrong. They argued that Voldemort never cared about romance, sex or family. He only cared about power, immortality, and ruling through fear. Even if Bellatrix worshipped him, Voldemort never truly returned that devotion. That's why many fans dismiss the Cursed Child as a non-canon, meaning they don't count it as a part of the real Harry Potter story. For them, the 7 original books are the true story and nothing else. So here's the question for you. Do you prefer to believe that Voldemort actually had a daughter, Delphi, or do you stick with the original books? Comment your thoughts below and follow me for more Harry Potter truths and theories.